How to interpret a home inspection. Whether you're buying or selling a home, the home inspection is the thing that usually creates the most worry and concern, and rightfully so. Hopefully this will help guide and advise you of how to look through a home inspection. Number one, keep an eye out for the big four: roof, plumbing, electrical, and foundation. Those are what we consider safety issues, and those cost the most money to fix. If you have a wood shake roof or knob and tube plumbing, chances are you're not going to get insurance due to fire risk. If you have leaky or corroded plumbing, you're going to have water issues. And if you have a crumbling foundation, you're going to have a home that's not structurally sound. So if you find issues with any of those on a home inspection, hire the appropriate contractor, get them to take a look at the home, do an inspection, and give you a bid to see what it costs to take care of it. If none of those are a problem, then just go through the rest of the home inspection and see what's going on. Usually it's things like a missing smoke detector, a hot water heater maybe it's not strapped properly, a window won't open, or maybe the garage door opener needs some repair or some attention. But the big four are the things you need to pay attention to initially. I hope that helps. DM me with any questions or give me a call. I try to provide as much information as possible to make the home buying and selling process easier for you. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.